Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase investment opportunities with TD Ameritrade step by step clearly. To get started with TD Ameritrade, visit their official website. Create an account by selecting the Open New Account option. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and email address. Choose the type of account you want to open, whether it's an individual, joint, or retirement account. Complete the application by providing your financial background and investment experience. Review the terms and conditions, then submit your application. Once approved, log into your TD Ameritrade account. Take advantage of the educational resources available on their platform. Explore the education section to find webinars, articles, and tutorials. Next, familiarize yourself with the trading platform by navigating through the different tabs and features. Use the Stock Screener tool to identify potential investment opportunities. Set your investment goals by defining your risk tolerance and time horizon. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in various asset classes. Monitor market trends using the research tools provided on the TD Ameritrade platform. Create watch lists to track specific stocks or ETFs you are interested in. Use the paper trading feature to practice trading without risking real money. Once you're comfortable, start placing trades by selecting the asset you want to buy or sell. Utilize limit orders or stop-loss orders for better control of your trades. Regularly review your investment portfolio and adjust your strategy as needed. Consider reaching out to TD Ameritrade's customer support for any questions you may have. Stay informed about market news by subscribing to alerts and newsletters. Engage with the TD Ameritrade community through forums and social media. Continuously educate yourself about investing to refine your strategies. With these steps, you can effectively increase your investment opportunities with TD Ameritrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.